YouTube channel, and I feed my baby beta with BBS at Chabol baby brine sheep. Oh, they like eating it because they are hungry, syempre. Oh. Pakita mo yung isda ko. Nakita nyo ba? Syempre hindi nyo nakikita, baby nga eh. Ganun talaga. Diba, di ba di kayo maniwala eh. Alam nga naman, papakainin ko yun ang wala yan naman. Diba?
Do you buy another beta?
I don't buy anymore because I have no budget, just breeding only. Because they are too many na. Okay guys, we just fed a little bit only because I feed the team kanina. That's why I feed a little bit more lang. Oh, you see my baby betta fish? Hindi lang makita guys kasi baby pa. 4 days old pa lang sila eh. 4 days old. To my BBS. Ha? Because I know I'm very very handsome. Shout out sa mga followers ko dyan ha. Follow na kayo. Para i-shout out. Dito ko lang makakita ng ina-advance yung followers. Shout out. Sa akin lang yun. Hindi mo ba nagpapalo, shout out ka na. Okay guys. Lilit kasi ng BBS eh. They are very very small eh. That's why sakto lang sila. Okay, I just feel it. When I feel it. Oh. Do you see my baby beta? That's the early. Just close up the camera and you see they see it. Okay. Oh. You like my BBS? Cameraman is always smiling because he's always happy.
Cheese yun de.
Right? He's always happy. Just like my beta, always happy.
Happy cause.
Because they ate kitty today, oh. Oh.
Nice.
Sobrang daming mga alaga pati hindi alaga.
Pwede ka pala mag-vlog.
Yan yung papang supported eh.
Supported.
Supported yan na. Shout out sa'yo papang.
Hindi naman nag-aaral.
Pag-imba ko pa na maraming tubig.
Pwede na yan.
Okay guys, that's all for today. And tomorrow will be vlog a little bit more. Because my cameraman is
Laughing.
very very low key.